Let's go to Nancy in St. Petersburg. Hey, Nancy.
Hey, Joe. I want to thank you in advance. I've been listening to your show, and I've learned a lot about trusts and wills and the difference. And one situation with me is that I did go out and after I bought my house and immediately got a will, thinking that that was going to protect my assets and be, transferred over to my daughter when I passed away.
Mm-hmm.
And listening to your show, I now understand that's not the case. So I'm probably going to be coming into one of your offices and looking at a living trust. One of the question I really have for you today is in regards to a power of attorney. I understand that a power of attorney basically dies with you. Is that correct?
Correct. It becomes invalid upon death.
So what kind of a document do you need to have, does the individual survivors need to have in order to be able to do business in your name after you pass away?
Oh, the living trust that we were talking about takes care of that, because your successor trustee that you name in the document has the power to deal with all of your assets that are in the trust.
So it takes care of everything, pretty much, and it avoids probate.
Yes, it avoids probate of all the assets you put in the trust. You have a will that leaves assets to the trust that you didn't put in the trust that you should have. And things like personal effects, your personal representative can deal with those without going through a probate process as well. Some assets you have, like retirement accounts, insurance and annuity products that have beneficiaries, can be dealt with outside the trust, and all you need is a death certificate to be able to deal with those.
Yeah, I have my daughter as my beneficiary on my bank account and on my life insurance and all of that, but the house was the main concern.
Mm-hmm.
I know that you can't speak for other attorneys, but just for the heck of it, why would I go to a family planning attorney and tell him what my objectives were and him suggest me doing a will when a living trust would have definitely been a better document?
If it's a family law attorney, they might not be fully aware of all the benefits of a trust. Some attorneys would take the position that probate is better. I mean, I would never agree with them, but they would argue that you need the court supervision dealing with estates. I've heard lots of reasons why people might say that, but, I think that I've had a debate one time that was televised with an attorney that was pro-wills and probate versus what I was saying trust was better. They're just of opinions on different attorneys.
Yeah, well, it looks like the trust would probably alleviate you having to go back to an attorney, whereas a will is a guarantee that you're going to have to go back to an attorney.
There you go. You nailed it.
All right, thank you, sir. You do a great service to all of us, and I really appreciate it, and I'll be calling your office because I need a trust.
All right, I look forward to meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you.